earlier we told you that the mall at Robinson is closed today. Well, Ross Park and South Hills Village have also just made the decision to close as well. All right, let's head back outside now. Our Jessica Riley joins us and continues our live team coverage this morning. She is in Lawrenceville for us.
And Jessica, usually it's a very walkable area. Lots of people like to get out in Lawrenceville, but right now is not the time to do that in a long duration. And you have seen people actually out there walking in the snow as well.
Yeah, Megan and Erica, a lot of people walking. We actually we have a PRT bus. Good news, they're actually moving on here. But let me tell you, you were talking about the Mall of Robinson, a lot of businesses closing. We know Lawrenceville, we know Butler Street. There's tons of businesses here that are usually open. It is just kind of like a ghost town. You have the people walking right there. You see right there. We actually spoke to them, they were telling us how fun it is to be out here with their dog, Luna. And that's what we're seeing, people out with their dogs mostly. And you know what? It's safe walking. Obviously, they're not going too far, but take a listen to that family right there.
I've never seen Lawrenceville so empty, I'll say that. But you know, the snow's light, it's not too cold, so I don't know, we're having fun, we're making the most of it.
We're excited. We heard the forecast up to a foot and it seems like we're on the way to getting to it, so it's pretty cool.
Moments and coming out here. A lot of people are thinking back to 2010. We even heard the blizzard of 93 out here. But the thing that you really need to know is it's dangerous. Although you can go outside and have a good time, the roads are not good. They've only been plowed once since we've been here since 6 a.m. That snow just keeps coming down. And like Chris Hoffman was mentioning, it's more of like a snow globe here. That snow is coming down thicker and heavier, and it's just so consistent. So if you are headed out, again, they just keep getting worse. So just be careful out here. You'll join us here in a little bit, but we're live in Lawrenceville. Jessica Riley, back to you.